same town, going nowhere. Need a brand new view in front of me. Don't need no map, no need to pack, and don't care much if we come back. Sitting still just wasn't meant for me. Some folks just go straight and narrow. Turns out that life ain't right for me. 'Cause every time we cross state lines, the grass we find on the other side always seems to twist up twice as green. Hey! Well, it's high time you and I got rolling. Someplace else we just gotta be. Well, that beat up fan I bought you thought was stolen. Looked like hell, but felt like home to me. Strumming something on the dashboard. Purple haze makes it hard to see. Two rearview guys, three friends of mine, and 4x tires still a rolling right. Taste of inspiration's all we need. Hey! Well, it's high time you and I got rolling. Someplace else we just gotta be. That beat up fan I bought you thought was stolen. Looked like hell, but felt like home to me. Eagles got us down to California. Beach Boys got us surfing on the sea. We got stone going up to Colorado. Couldn't see the forest for the trees. Better take a picture, 'cause baby, I can bet you that we won't be around here for long. Freedom train keeps moving on. Stop it up and take it slow. Stop it up when we get low. Only way that this can last if you got acid, grass, or gas. Clapping, tapping, get your groove on. Front seat drums and backseat harmonies. When we drive by your countryside, stick out your thumb if you need a ride. No one knows just where this road will lead. Hey! Well, it's high time you and I got rolling. Someplace else we just gotta be. That beat up fan I bought you thought was stolen. Looked like hell, but felt like home to me. Woo! Eagles got us down to California. Beach Boys got us surfing on the sea. We got Rocky Mountain high in Colorado. Couldn't see the forest for the trees. Same old, same town, going nowhere. Need a brand new view in front of me. Don't need no map, no need to pack, and don't care much if we come back. Sitting still just wasn't meant for me. Some folks just go straight and narrow. Turns out that life ain't right for me. 'Cause every time we cross state lines, the grass we find on the other side always seems to twist up twice as green. Hey! Well, it's high time you and I got rolling. Someplace else we just gotta be. Well, that beat up fan I bought you thought was stolen. Looked like hell, but
Que lugar lindo. Faz cara boa no vídeo.